Hey everyone, in this lesson we continue with theory and we will learn error handling. In Python you have to handle all the errors that is come with the manager like files, like exceptions. You have to write statements to handle all of this. For example, open, we work together with open for handling the files. Open accepts here two parameters. First parameter is part of the file, for example, size.txt. And second parameter, second argument is the mode of the reading or just writing or adding inside this file. For example, we want now to read. Okay, let's assign it to the variable file equal to open this file on mode read. Read what is inside this file. And next print on file dot read. Read method is inside this open that is built-in property inside the Python. Now, if you execute the code like this, you will have an error. File not found error. So this file is not exist here. And when we use the open and moderate, the Python interpreter does not found the, the file and execute this. This is just seen in the console. If you want to write statements here to notify the user about the error, you can use instead you can use try and except. Why this error here? Because of the syntax indentation. Okay, try and except okay. How if an error happens because we cannot open this file, we can print the error message, and you can see we can we can write the file that does not exist. For example, now if you write example, you can see now with the pretty sentence solid file doesn't exist. If you want to print error, you can use as exception as error. Here you can print print error, just error. Okay. Now solidify doesn't exist. Error number 2, no such a file or direct file or txt. Okay. This is the syntax you can use to handle all the errors with the try except. You can use this syntax for many different conditions. We saw here in this example how you can use try except for the file. Thank you for watching.